I might be down for all his rules, he ain't no dumb nigga. Yeah, I'm reading all his clues, that's why I'm fucking with ya. Everybody think we cute, yeah, cause boy we fine. And they looking at us all the time. Don't be coming for my header, he a real raw nigga. Put a price on your body, now he coming through your lobby. You don't wanna be.
Hey guys, beautiful girls. So today we're gonna talk about that. This Twitter was telling me if I love dogs and everything. Be with dogs. Yeah, I will be with them. And I love dogs because they're not funny. And comment, subscribe if you scribble box if you like dogs, to let me know if y'all like dogs. I do because they like, I'm explaining to y'all, I love dogs because they like more like funny. They love to play toys and that's what I like. I like toys and stuff, and I'm drinking tea right now, so anyway, so I don't know why Twitter was asking me why I love dogs and stuff, because dogs funny, so I love dogs. Tell me in the comments in the box if you love dogs, and to let me know if y'all guys love dogs and everything, and to let me know if y'all like dogs, and or if you don't like the dog or you don't like the dog. You get what I'm saying? Making sense. So it's very good. Very good they are. So anyway, I have my makeup today, and you don't see, I did my makeup tutorial today. I was doing the makeup. Comment to triple box if you want me to tutorial makeup, if y'all want me to do it, and let me know. And so see y'all guys. So beautiful girl, see y'all. I need to tell you something, guys. Comment, like, subscribe, and subscribe. See y'all guys.